And tonight we know how long before most people in Minnesota, essential workers and union food employees, the rest of us, can start getting vaccinated.
Minnesota Governor Tim Walz says until at least 70% of those over the age of 65 at least have one of the doses of the COVID-19 vaccine, he will not authorize appointments in the next tier. ABC 6 News reporter Devin Martin shows us what you need to know about the governor's message today.
He's staying positive, but he's asking you to be patient. The governor says COVID-19 case numbers and death rates are dropping statewide, and 1.2 million Minnesotans have been vaccinated so far and have at least one dose. And by the end of March, the governor believes 70% of seniors will be protected.
Today's a day that all of us have been looking for.
Governor Tim Walz believes in the COVID-19 vaccine, as seniors are getting vaccinated and educators. 90,000 of them have been vaccinated.
But here's the deal. It's working. And the vaccine is working, I think, maybe even better than we could have hoped for at one point in time. And the sooner we are able to get as many vulnerable seniors vaccinated as possible, we have to get our students back into school.
But as the vaccine continues to roll out, seniors 65 and up are still the priority. And he's not going to move forward until they are taken care of.
We're going to continue the focus on those seniors till we hit about 70%. So what will start to happen is, as more vaccines come in and there's fewer in that group, it's going to take a little more time.
So who gets the vaccine next? Well, the governor is laying out a roadmap. He says it will be people with specific high-risk health conditions and essential workers, like people who work in food processing plants. But they probably won't be eligible until April.
I'm not saying we're mad or upset. We're a little disheartened.
UFCW Local 9 Union represents food processing workers all over our area, most of them at Hormel Foods in Austin. Richard Morgan is the president of the union. He understands why his members have to wait to get the vaccine, but says maybe if the Johnson & Johnson vaccine gets approved, that it could change who gets the shots and when.
We understand that, without the school teachers and without the daycare, our folks can't work either. So if Johnson & Johnson comes online and it's a one-shot deal, they may be able to get through the packing folks.
At the end of the day, Richard is glad the governor has a plan.
Just all got to be hopeful that we can get a vaccine and we have a plan. It might not be the plan that we all like, but at least there's a plan there.
I spoke to Crystal Peterson with Mower County Public Health earlier, and she says that they have had very little vaccine allocation for those 65 and up, and that this news has been long awaited. She says prior to his announcement, their office was in the dark about what the next steps would be, but like many other public health offices, they're just going to have to wait on those vaccines. Back to you.